Welcome to our full guide on how to play Just Dance 2024 offline on your Nintendo Switch. Get ready to learn all the tips and tricks to enjoy dancing anytime, anywhere. Before we dive in, let's cover the system requirements for offline play. Make sure your Nintendo Switch has enough storage space and you've completed the initial setup. To download Just Dance 2024, head to the Nintendo eShop, search for the game, and click Download. Make sure your connection is stable. Once installed, launch the game. Let's take a quick tour of the main menu, focusing on how to access offline modes. Explore the diverse dance routines available for offline play, from pop hits to classic tunes. You'll find something suitable for everyone. Want to make your dance experience even more personal? Let's create and customize your own dance playlists for offline sessions. Here are some tips to maximize your offline experience. Stay active, mix up the genres, and don't forget to dance with friends. Make sure to sync your profile to track your progress offline. This way, you won't miss out on your hard-earned achievements. Encountering issues while playing offline? Don't worry. Here are common problems and their solutions to keep your fun uninterrupted. Now you're ready to enjoy Just Dance 2024 offline on your Nintendo Switch. Grab your friends and let the dancing begin.